Hello everybody, Audrey here. Today is another dessert recipe. You know I love mix and bake easy recipes. Here is another one, Cupcake Egg Tart. Unlike the regular egg tart, the crust is delicate and crisp. This crust melts in the mouth and the egg custard is velvety and creamy. 100 grams softened butter, leave at room temperature before making or microwave it 30 seconds until it gets soft. Mixed with 20 grams of sugar, 20 grams of beaten egg. One large egg is about 45 grams. Whisk until they are combined. Shift 150 grams of cake flour and use the hands to mix it well until the dough is nice and smooth. Surround it with plastic food wrap and store in the refrigerator for 10-15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the egg mixture. It is made of 2 beaten eggs plus the remaining egg from the crust, some lemon juice to get rid of the egg smell, and the vanilla extract adds a wonderful flavor. Mixed with 60 grams of sugar and 100 grams of milk and 100 grams of heavy cream. Stir it well and use a strainer to get a smooth texture. Now let's take the dough out of the fridge and divide it into 8 small ones. Each one is about 36 grams. Put a small dough in a cupcake liner and apply the dough along it. Here we are making the dough just like the cupcake shape. The cupcake liner here is a little harder than the usual ones. Check out the description below for details. Here need some patience to get an even layer. It may be hard for the first time, but it will get better and better afterwards. Complete the same process for all the doughs. Fill the crust with egg mixture up to 90% full. Bake it at 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Broil at the end for a few minutes to get a nice color if needed. Here comes the yummy egg tart. The thing I love most is the egg custard is way more than the regular ones. This is Audrey. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.